Hello students. So in last class we have seen how to convert a given angle in a degree to radian. So in that I asked you to remember that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So now I will tell some hints whereby you can remember most of the angles in radian which we require. Most of the angles in radian which we require. Now see here, first if I take 180 degree is equal to pi. So 180 degree is equal to pi. So now if I take 360 degree directly, you can tell me in radian. 360 degree is double of this. So in radian it will be 2 pi. Similarly if I take 90 degree, 90 is half of 180. So if you divide this by 2, 180 by 2 is 90. Similarly in radian it will be pi by 2. Similarly if I take 45 degree, 45 degree is half of 90. So 45 degree is half of 90. So half of this means you will have pi by 4. Half of this means you will have pi by 4. Similarly if I take 270 degree, 270 degree. So 9 into 3 is 27. 90 into 3 is 270. So you should multiply here also by 3. So 270 will be 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Clear students? So directly you can remember. So hints to remember angle in a radian. 180 means pi. 360 means 2 pi. 90 means pi by 2. 45 is half of this, pi by 4. 270 is 3 times of 90. So you'll have 3 pi by 2. Clear? So you can remember if I take axis here 0 degree, it will be 0 radian. 90 degree, it will be pi by 2. 180 degree, it will be pi. 270 degree, 3 pi by 2. 270 degrees, 3 pi by 2. Then again if you come here, 360 degrees, 2 pi. 360 degrees, 2 pi. So this is first hint. Now second, if I take standard angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree and 90. So now you know that 0 degree is 0 radian. Pi is equal to 180. So 0 degree is 0 radian. 30 degree now we are having. So by what number if you divide 180 you will get 30. So by what number you should divide 180 to get 30. Correct? So 180 you should divide by 6. So 180 by 6 means you will have 30 degree. So if you divide by 6 here you will have 30 degree in radian. So 30 degree in radian is pi by 6. 45 we have solved here. So 45 is pi by 4. 60 degree. So to get 60, 180 should be divided by 3 or double of this you can say. So 180 divided by 3 is 60. So 60 degree is nothing but in radian pi by 3 and 90 is pi by 2. So now you are required to remember all this, means it will be helpful in future while solving the problems to be fast. So just now you can see here, if 30 degree is there, denominator will have 6. If 60 degree is there, denominator will have 3. If 45 degree is there, denominator will have 4. So here 30, denominator is 6. Here 60, denominator is 3. Here 45 4, so denominator will have same 4 and 90 is pi by 2. Now using this you can write most of the angles in future. So 60 is pi by 3. Now suppose if we ask 120 degree. So we know 60 is pi by 3. 120 is double of 60. So in a radian it will be 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Similarly you may say 150 degree. So 150, 30, 5. So multiply by 5, you will have radian, that is 5 pi by 6. Clear, students? So these two will be very much helpful in future. So you can pause, note down these values, then we will see problems on finding the angle in radian. Now students, see here, I have written two problems over here. So we will solve one by one. So first problem, if I take, angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:5. Find them both in a degree and radian. Find them both in a degree and radian. So if I take a solution for the first one, so I will take a rough diagram of a triangle. So I will take a triangle ABC. I will take a triangle ABC. So what he says, angles of triangle are in the ratio 2:3:5. So I will take this angle as 2x. So I will take this as 2x, then this will be in the ratio 3, this is 3x, then this will be 5x. This will be 5x. So in the ratio 2x, 3x and 5x, you are required to find angle A, angle B and angle C. So I can say given is A is to B is to C is equal to 2x is to 3x is to 5x. Ratio he has given. A is 2x, B is 3x, C is 5x. Now we know that in a triangle, sum of these angles A plus B plus C will be equal to 180 degree. Sum of these three angles will be 180. Now substitute these values. So if I take 2x plus 3x plus 5x is equal to 180. Now if I simplify, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10. So I will have 10x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 divided by 10. So 0 gets cancelled, you will have 18 degree. So you will have 18 degree. Now you are required to find all these three angles in a degree and a radian. So first I will find in a degree. In a degree, A is equal to, how much we have taken? A is equal to 2x. So 2x, that is 2 into 18. So 18 into 2 is 36 degree. So first angle is 36. Angle B, 3x. So 3 into 18. 3 into 18. So multiply these two. If you want, you can use calculator. 18 3s are 54. 18 3s are 54. So you'll have 54 degree. So C, angle C is 5x. So 5x, 5 into 18. So multiply, you will have 18 into 5 is 90 degree. So now we have found these three angles in degree. Find both in degree and radian. So I have found it in degree. Now you are required to find it in radian. In radian. So if you know, you can write directly in radian, else simplify. A is equal to, do you remember formula from degree to radian? We multiply by pi by 180. So 36 into pi by 180. Pi by 180. Now simplify this, you will have the answer. So you cancel, you will have, so 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18, 0. 6 5 are 30, so you will have answer pi by 5. A is pi by 5. B is equal to 54 into pi by 180. Again you simplify. 6 9s are 54, 6 3s are 18, 0. Again you can simplify. 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30. So you will have answer 3 pi by 10. 3 pi by 10. Then third, C is equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree in radian, directly you can take pi by 2. So 90 degree is pi by 2. Even here also you can take easily. So 18 degree. So just I will be telling hint. So 180 degree is equal to pi. 180 degree is pi. So 18 degree is pi by 10. So now I am having 36. 36 is double of this. So multiply by 2, you will have pi by 5. So now 18 table, if you take 18 threes, so multiply by 3, you will have 3 pi by 10. Then 90 degree is pi by 2. So directly also you can take 18 is pi by 10. So 18 into 2. So 2 into pi by 10 is pi by 5. Similarly 3 into pi by 10 is this one. Then you will have pi by 2. Clear, students? So I have taken the ratios, first found the value of x, then all the three angles. So you can pause and note down the steps. Then we will go for the second problem. Now if I take a second one. In second, what he says, there is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means figure having 4 sides. So I will take a rough figure. Just randomly I will be taking a rough figure. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral, whose angles are in the ratio 1:2:4:5. So 1, 2, 4, 5. So this I will take it as x. Then B will be 2x. C will be 4x. And D will be 5x. You are again required to find both the angles in a degree and radian. All the angles in both degree and radian. So now you know, in quadrilateral, sum of all 4 angles will be 360 degree. So A plus B plus C plus D will be equal to 360 degree. Now I will substitute the values. X plus 2x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 360. So now again if I solve, I will be getting the value of x. So 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. So you will have 12x is equal to 360 degree. Now divide by 12. So you will have x is equal to 360 divided by 12. So you'll get x is equal to 12 3s are 36. So you'll have 30 degree. X is equal to 30. Clear, students? X is 30. Now you can find all these angles in degree. Again same steps. So first if I take in degree. So A is x. So A is equal to x. X means how much we have got? 30 degree. X is 30. Now if I take B, B is 2x. 2x. So double of this x is 30. So 2 into 30, you will have 60 degree. You will have 60 degree. Third, C is 4x. C is 4x. 4 into 30. So you will have 120 degree. You will have 120. D is 5x. 5x. 5 into 30. So 30 into 5 you will have 150 degree. This is first step. So find them both in degree and radian. So now I will write it in radian. So in radian. So now see here, starting I have told hint, using that hint directly you can write all these angles in radian. So if I take A is 30 degree. So 30 degree in radian will be very good, pi by 6. Here if it is there 3, then denominator will be 6, pi by 6. B is equal to 60 degree. So in radian it will be pi by 3. Here 6 is there, means the denominator will be 3. C is equal to 120 degree. 120 is double of 60. So you will have 2 pi by 3. Double of 60. Then D 150 degree. So 150 is 5 times that of 30. So multiply by 5, you will have answer 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. So 30 into 5, 150. So you will have 5 pi by 6. So you have found angles both in a degree and radian. So students, again you can pause and note down all these steps or solve the problem. Okay. Now students, another two formulas or concept we will see. So first one is length of an arc. Length of an arc. So now if I take a circle, center O and radius R, this point I will take it as A. Then let it move from here to B. So another point I will take it as B. This length from A to B, we call it as a arc. So length of this arc from A to B, we denote it as S. Length of arc we denote it by S. And let it make an angle at the center theta, where compulsory theta has to be in radian. So A to B is an arc, OA is radius or OB is radius. Angle subtended or formed at the center is theta. So length of an arc, formula for S is given by S is equal to R theta. Length of arc S is equal to R theta. Similarly, second we are having area of sector. Now similarly, if I take a circle, with center O A, and again I will take this point as B. This angle formed at the center, I will take it as theta, and radius is R, and radius is R. So this AOB is called sector. AOB is called sector. So this whole area which I have denoted is called sector. Then area of that sector is given by area of sector AOB is given by A is equal to half R square theta. Area of sector is given by A is equal to half R square theta. Again compulsory theta has to be in radian. Again here also theta is in radian. Theta has to be in radian. So we have problems on these two formulas, that is S is equal to R theta and A is equal to half R square theta. So I will take two problems on length of an arc. So you can pause, note down both the formulas, then we will solve the problem. So if I take first one, so if you go through the problem, find radius of circle in which central angle of 60 degree intercepts an arc length of 31.42 centimeters. So rough figure I will take again for first one. A circle is there. So radius you are required to find. Arc length is this much. Angle is 60 degree. So I will take this angle is 60. Arc length this is 31.42 centimeters. You are required to find R. So now if I take given S he has given, S is equal to 31.42 centimeter, arc length he has given, theta he has given 60 degree, but compulsory to solve theta has to be in radian. So 60 in radian is very good, pi by 3. You are required to find radius R. So now use formula length of an arc. S is equal to R theta. S is equal to R theta. So therefore, if I substitute 31.42 is equal to R, theta 16 radian is pi by 3 into pi by 3. If I cross multiply 31.42 into 3 divided by pi is radius R. Now I will substitute pi value. So R is equal to 31.42 into 3 divided by 3.142. Pi is 22 by 7, or here we take 3.142. If you divide 22 by 7, you will get 3.142. So now if you observe, this gets cancelled. 3.142 ones are. So this is 10 times 31.42. So R is equal to 10 into 3, 30. Compulsory you should write units. So length he is measuring in centimeter. Radius is also length. So 30 centimeters you will be having. So radius is 30 centimeter. Clear, students? So first write given, use formula and substitute. You will have the answer. So again you can pause, solve this problem, then we will go for the second one. So next, if I take the minute hand of watch, the minute hand of watch is 1.5 centimeters long. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? So all of you have seen watch. So in watch there will be 3 hands. One is for minute, one is for hour, and another one is for second. So there will be 3 hands. One smaller one, minute hand is bigger, second hand will be still bigger than this one. So just rough I will take. So 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. So you are required to find minute hand. He says, how far does its tip move in 40 minutes? So initially I will take minute hand is on 12. So I will take it is on 12. So this I will take it as A, point A. So 40 minutes it will move. So 40 minutes it will move means it will come on 8. It will come over here. This is B. So this much angle it has covered. In 40 minutes it has covered this much angle. Now he has given a length of a minute hand. Length of minute hand is 1.5 centimeters. So this length is 1.5 centimeter, that of minute hand. How far does the tip move in 40 minutes? So this is a tip. How much this length it moves he has asked, means you are required to find. Yes, you are required to find how much distance it will cover in 40 minutes. You are required to find. Yes. Now if you go one round, total angle is 360. 360 is divided into 12 parts. So you will have 360 divided by 12 will be 30 degree. 30 degree. So angle between two consecutive numbers is 30. Means angle from 12 to 1 is 30. Angle from 1 to 2 is 30. Angle from 2 to 3 is 30. So angle between two consecutive numbers is 30. So if I take from 12 to 8, 30, 60, 90. Similarly if you go here, if you come 180, 180 plus 30 plus 60. So 180 plus 60 will be 240. So theta will be equal to 240 degree. 240 degree. So now if I write given, what all he has given? He has given radius. Radius is 1.5 centimeters. So R he has given. Theta he has given. Theta is equal to 240 degree. You should convert it into radian. So hint I have told. So 60 degree is how much? Pi by 3. 6 4s are 24. So if you multiply by 4, you will get 6 4s are 24, 240. So in a radian it will be 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. Now you are required to find the value of S. So again formula, length of an arc, S is equal to R theta. S is equal to R theta. Now substitute the values. R is 1.5 centimeters. Theta is 4 pi divided by 3. So if I simplify, 3 5s are 15. So 0.5 into 4 into 3.142. So 3 I have cancelled. 3 1s are 3. 0.5. 3 5s are 15. So 0.5. 4 as it is. Pi value is 3.142. So 0.5 into 4, you will get 2 into 3.142. Or you can use calculator, students. 5 4s are 20, so 2.02 you will have. Now multiply, you will have the answer. So 6.284. Units is how much? Centimeter. So it has traversed a distance of 6.284 centimeters. Clear, students? Again you can pause, write down the solution. else you can once again go through the video of this one. Okay, thank you students.